Number 9. Pass to number 28. Tumira. Wala. Nakuha ni number 15. 10 to shoot. Number 9. Tumira. Wala. Nakuha ni number 18. To number 15. Bababa ang bola. Number
3 points by number 30.
to
Out of bounds. Marty ball.
number 15. Number 15. Pass to number check. Pinasa nakuha ni Narcito. Narcito. Pass to number 15. 15 to Narcito again. Pass to number 30.
Save ball.
15. 14 to shoot. Number 15 to number 12.
Easy 3 points.
Number 15, nagbababa ng bola. Number 15. Pass to them. Then, pass to them dito. 10 to shoot. 8 to shoot. Putol, tumira ng 3.
3 points by number 7.
Number 15, dribbling the ball. 14 to shoot. Ikra.
Sakto. 3 points
By number
05.
Number 50. Pass to number 30. To Narcito, to number 15. 10 to shoot. Take a 3.
3 points by number 15.
Number 15. Number 15 tumaksak. Pumasok sa gilid. Take a 3. Go. Good. Number 30. Pass to Del. Del to number 15. Take a 3. Go. Good. Nakuha ni number 5 to number 15. Ay number 9. Tumira. Wala sa rebound ni number 30. Pass to number 15. To number 18. Number 18 bumangga.
Bruce foul. Foul number 23.
First personal foul.
First team foul. First throw. Sakto.
Second throw. Pasok again. Official score 11-5 in favor of Team Charlie. 14 to shoot, number 12. Check to number 12 again. Na-check, pinasa ay Narcito. Pumasa ulit sa labas, number 15, take a 3.
Number 15.
Number 15. Bringing the ball. 10 to shoot. Tumira. Wala. Number 15 again. 8 to shoot. Number 5. Tumira. Wala. Narito
Out of bounds. Team Charlie.
number 15. 15 bringing the ball. Pass to Narcito to number 15. To Narcito again. Take a 3. Go. Good. Nakuha ni Kuya. Pinasa kay number 12. Number 12. Number 12. Pinasa kay number 9. Tumira. Wala. Nakuha ni Narcito. To Del. Del. Sumalaksak. Wala. Number 10. Number 12. Number 12. Tumira. Pasok. Number 15. nagbababa ang bola. Official score, 14-7 in favor of Marley. Number 15, 10 to shoot, 10, tumira, like, only 28, back to number 15, 2 balls by number 15. Number 15, Narcito, giving the ball, pass to Del, take a three, no good. Nakuha ni number 28 to number 5. Number 18, pass to number 30, pass to number 15, take a three, no good. Nakuha ni 28, pumasa kay 12, wala, 12 again. Change guys. Tatlo na lang po ang kalabangan ng Barney. 40-11. Wait lang ref, may inaantay po. Wait lang daw. Back to the ball game. Taking po tayo pagpapasok. Tanggal po ang mga hikaw. 25 to number 16. Number 16. Pass to 25. Pass to number 4. Nakuha ni number 16. 14 to shoot. Kuya N. Nakakuha ni 5 to shoot. Good foul, ref. Foul number 8. First personal foul. 17 foul. 20 wrong. Tumira. Wala. Nakuha ni number 5 kasama dali. Nakuha ni EN. Kuya N. Nakakuha ni bola. Pass to number 25. To number 8. Number 15. Good foul, ref. Foul number 16. First personal foul, 17 foul. Number 9, take a three, no good. Nawa ni Kuya N. Kuya N, nagbababa ang bola. To number 25. Number 25, tumira. Nakuha ni. Pass to number 12. Is 2 points by number 12. Lamang na tayo ng isa ng party, 14-30. 25. Basta Kuya Arsen. Kuya Arsen. Tumira. Wala. Nakuha. Number 25. Nakuha. 2 points by Tower Ball. Number 5. Gravity violation. Kuya Arce. The grooving ball. Kuya Arce. Nagano kumakasan. 14 to shoot. Non-still. Pinasa kay number 12. Easy to red by number 12. 16 to Kuya Arce. Kuya Arce. Kuya Arce. Sumalaksak. Pumasa kay number 25. Pass to by Chibong. 14 to shoot. Kuya Eric momentum tumira. 2 points for Kuya Eric. Number 5. Number 5. Pass number 50. 14 to shoot. To number 12. Number 12 sumalaksak. Pinasa kay number 9. 8 to shoot. With 7 violation. Number 16 moving the ball. 14 to shoot. 2.
Out of bounds. There you go.
10 seconds to shoot. Kuya Eric. 8 seconds to shoot. Kuya Eric. Nice to number 15 to number 12. Sunlight, number 12 again. Pass to number 8. Wala again. Number 8.
Moves forward. Same ball.
14 seconds to shoot. Number 9. Pass to number 15. To number 5, take a 3. All 18 na po ang ating score. Kuya Arce to number 16. 16 to Kuya Arce. 30 seconds to shoot. Kuya Eric to Kuya Arce. 10 seconds to shoot. 3 points by Kuya Arce. Number 12. Number 12. Jimmy Discarte. 12 to shoot. Take a 3. No, punta ko lang yung number 12. 2 points by number 12. Last 54 seconds. 21 to 20 in favor of Barney. Kuya Arce, pass to number 16. Number 16. Number 16 to kalaksa pumak ay number 25. 5 to shoot. Kuya Ed. Bruce power left. Number 7 personal foul. 3rd team foul. 2 shots. First throw. Pasok. Second throw. Supply. Number 8. Number last 30 seconds. Number 9 Pumasa. Tumira. Last 20 seconds. Last 15 seconds. Kuya Arce. Number 25. Pass to Kuya Eric. 2 balls by Kuya Eric. 7 seconds. Pass to Kuya Eric. 2 balls by number 12. And the first quarter. 15 to number 19. 47, naghanap ng saan. Pass to number 15. 14 to shoot. Number 18. 2 points by number 18. Number 15 bringing the ball. 14 seconds to shoot. Full foul rep. Foul number 18. First personal foul. First team foul. First throw. Supply. Last throw. Supply again. 27 again. Nakapagsabi na sa number 15. 15. Pass to number 18. Supply na 14. Pass to 15. 15. 15 nagpapadali. Pumasa kay number 14. 2 points by number 14. 19. Nagbababa ng bola. 19. Pass to Manoy. 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 2 points by Manoy. Number 15. Pass to number 14. To number 15. 14 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 28. Nakuha ni number 40. Nakuha ni number 15. 15 pass to number 19. Number 19. Pass to nakuha ni number 15. Rules foul rep. Foul number 47. First personal foul. 17 foul. 40 to number 15. 15 dribbling the ball. Bumasa gilid. Take a 3. Good na kuha. Pass to number 15. 15. 15. Nakuha ni number 47. 2 points by number 47. 40. 40 to be discarded. 40. Tumira ka. Save ball. 40 to number 15. 15. Tumira ng 3. Nakuha ni 18 to 47 to number 15. 15. Dribbling the ball. 14 seconds to shoot to Manoy. Pass to 18. 18. 28 to number 15 to number 40. Take a 3. No. 19. 19. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 15. 14 seconds to shoot. Take a 3. Air ball. Metanoia ball. 15. 15. Pass to number 14. 2 points by number 14. Official score 32-29 in favor of Barney. 47 to 15. 12 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. Tumira. Nakuha ni number 14. 14. Pass to number 14. Other bound. Barney ball. To 90. 90, dribbling the ball. Pass to Manoy. Jump shot. 2 points. Number 15, nagbababa ng bola. Pass to number 14. 14. 2 2 points by number 14. Number 19, dribbling the ball. 14 seconds to shoot. 47, tumira. Nakuha na 2 points by Manok. Number 15, pass to 14 seconds to shoot. Nakuha ni 40, 2 points by number 14. Wow. Number 15, dribbling the ball. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 19, umatake. 19, 10 seconds to shoot to number 15. 8 seconds to shoot to number 47. 5 seconds to shoot. Foul number 9. First row, supply. Last row. Supply, nakuha ni 9. Back to number 15, nagmamadali. 15, back to number 9. Back to number 40. Nakuha ni 40. Use power. Change 5. Foul number 19. First row. Pasok. Last row by number 40. 14 again. 2 points by number 14. All 36 po ang ating shot. 24, take a 3. Malakas pa. Number 14 to number 12. Number 12. 14 take to shoot. Nice. Then, nagmamadali. Pass to Narciso. Pass to them. Tumira. Pasok. Number 12. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 40. Tumira. Kuha ni Kuya Eric. Pass to Narciso. Pass to. Foul counted. Time out. Team Metanoia. Who's fouled it? First personal foul, second team foul. Ang party niya, dalawang po. To the border. Bonus row by Ben. Left. 24. Pass to now. 24 again. Dropping in violation. Narciso. Pass to number 24 to Bell. Bell sumanaksak. Sumasa kay Narciso. Pass to number 30. Nakakuha na number 30 again. 2 2 points by number 13. Number 12. 12. Bringing the ball. 14 seconds to shoot. Pumasa kay number 42 Mangga. 2 points by number 14. Garcito. Bringing the ball. Pass to Del. Del. Pass to number 24. 24, 14 seconds to shoot. Technical.
Technical foul number 12.
Pasok ang bonus block. Same ball. Rebound by Del. Pass to Nercito. Nercito. To Kuya Eric. Umikot. Wala. Nakuha ni Bruce ball left. May Tanaya. Ball. Number 5 to number 24. Foul Alter. Who's foul rep? Number 4. Kuya Eric. Tatlo na lang po ang kalabangan ng party. Tama. 7 personal foul. 13 foul. Bortro. Kuya Eric. To Narcito. Narcito nagpamadali. Pass to number 30. To Ben. 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 Step back to Mira. South line. Nakuha ni 24. 24. 24 nagpamadali. Lumiyap ng kaliwa. Nakuha ni number 30. Rules foul rep. Okay. Bell. Bell, sumalaksak. Rules foul rep. Bakit ang takatawag mo natin rep? Number 11. 7 personal foul. Penalty. First throw. Pasok. Penalty na po ang Metanoia. Sentro. Supply. Nakuha ni Kuya Eric. Last touch by number 24. Well, seconds to shoot. Out of bounds. Metanoia ball. 24 to number 5. 5 brings the ball. 5. Pass to 24. To number 11. To referee. Out of bounds. 7. Delcito. Bringing the ball. Pass to number 24. Take a 3. 3 points. Number 12. Number 12 bringing the ball. Pass to number 5. 14 seconds to shoot to number 11. To Minas to play. Nakuha ni 24. To revenge by number 24. We Eric to Nercito. Pass to number 24. Take a 3. No good. Nakuha ni Nercito. Ang sipag nun. 2 points by number 9. Number 5. Number 5 pumunta. Pass to number 11. Pumunta agad. 25. Penalty. Wala. Naku pala. Team na po. Well, bringing the ball. Pass to Narcito. 14 seconds to shoot. 24. Take a 3. 3 4. Number 5. Bring the ball. Number 10, Buka. Pass to number 12. 14 seconds to shoot. Nice to shoot. Bell. Last 49 seconds. 24 next 3-point. Number 40.
Foul number 24.
First personal foul. Warning for penalty. 12 to 24. 14 seconds to shoot.
Out of bounds. Marty ball.
Official score 55-42 in favor of Marty. Bell, take a three. No, punta ulit na dito. Pushing foul by number 9. Penalty. Floating to penalty na. Two shots. First throw.
Sablay.
Last throw. Stop. Last 26 seconds. Number 24. Gravity violation. Last 18 seconds. 24. Pass to number 12. 14 seconds. Number 12 trips the ball. Last 10 seconds. Pass to number 42. Buka. One again, Eric. Pass the ball. 2 seconds. Who's called it? Foul number 11. Penalty. Warning for Broadway number 11. Two shots. First throw. Sublime. Last throw. Last 1.8 seconds. Second throw. Pasok. 24 to number 12. 12. End of the first half. Official score 56-43 in favor of Marley.
Metanoia ball po, metanoia. Number 21. Number 21. Pass to number 11. Pass to number 29. 29, Mira. 2 points by number 8. 25, tumira, wala. Rebound ako ni number 8. Pass to number 21. Number 21, may isa ka ng ball. Number 21, goes over. Number 21, diretso. Tumira, wala. Rebound ako ni number 19. Number 19. Number 27, pass to number 16. 12 seconds to shoot. Number 25, pass to number 19. Tinira, wala. Rebound, 5 seconds to shoot. Number 8 nag-dribble. Number 8, pass to number 28. 12 seconds to shoot. Number 28, tumira. Wala, mahina. Number 47. Number 16. Number 16. Nag-dribble. Pass to number... Pinasa kay Manoy. 10 seconds to shoot. 2 points by number 11. Ayun na. Number 0 pala. Official score for Natanay, 58-45 in favor of Marley. Number 16. Number 16. Pass to number 0. Nakabigyan ng bola. Number 9. Number 9. Pass to number... Masyado pa lang sa pasa. Oras natin ay 7 minutes and 50 seconds. Number 16. Pass to number 0. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul number 8. Third personal foul. First team foul. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Traveling violation. Number 01. Pass to number 8 to make. Traveling ka doon, sir. Kulang na lang ng passport. Score natin ay 58-45. Ganun pa rin. Number 25. Number 25. Tinira. Wala. May mo ni number 25 ulit. Paso na sa pikal. Number 15. Take a three. Wala. Rebound nakuha ni number. Nakuha ni number 22. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Dumiretso. Pass to number. Masyadong malakas yung pasa. Number 16, make down on the ball. Pass to number 25. Number 25, Dimitris Captain. Binalik kay number 16. 16. 12 seconds to shoot. Number 25, tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound ni number 9. Pass to number... Wala. Number 21, tumira. Wala. Number 28. Same ball. 12 seconds to shoot. Traveling violation. Number 16. Number 16. Number 16, may dahan ng bola. 12 seconds to shoot. 2 points by number 19. Number 01. 01. Foul number 16. Number 1, tumira ng 3. Number 25, Binabatan. Pass to number 0. 12 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. Number 47, Dumiretso. Tinira sa huli. Number 9. Number 9, Dumiretso. Pinasa kay number 21. Huli. This is number 19. 18 seconds to shoot. Number 9, tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound ako ng number 47. Pass to number 25. Number 25, dumiretso. Tinira. Masyado kanina. Number 01. Number 01. Pinasa kay number 21. Umikot, sinira. Wala, tapi ka ng bola na bola number 0. Pass to number 16. Number 16, pass to number 25. Number 25, pinasa, tinira. Wala, tapi ka ng bola na bola number 8. Number 8, pass to number 21. Number 21, diretso.
Foul number 90. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Yun, idol ko. $16.48 na mga Marley. Boss, akin po tayo, boss. Rubber gloves ba? Kayo na bola rin? Marley ball. 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Number 15. Pinapatak number 15. Pinasay idol. Arce. Arce, di ano gagawin ka? Number 15, number 15. Pinasa ka na ba? Nakuha ni Coach Max. Number 12. Number 2-4. 4 minutes and 29 seconds. Ay, kay Eric. Eric, lahat. Pinasa kay number 15 sa tira na 3. Wala, nakuha ni kay Eric. Gusto mo? Second personal foul by number 24. Out! Second team foul. 60-50, lamang ang Marley ng 10. Last throw. Paso. Nakay number 15. Number 15. Pinasa kay number 14. Tumira na. Number 15, nag-fake. Pinasa kay number 5. Tumira na 3. Wala. Nakuha ni kay Eric. Pinasa kay number 1. Pinasa kay number 1. Kuya Arce. Pinasa kay Eric. Pinasa kay number 18 na bitawan. There to shoot. Kuya Eric. Wala. Nakuha ni kay Eric pa rin. Kuya Eric. Wala pa rin. Number 14. Pinasa kay number 15. Pinasa kay number 10. Foul number 13. First personal foul by number 13. 13 foul. 62-52. Naman pa rin na 10. Kurase. Eric. Pinasa kay number 15. Take to shoot. Pinasa kay Eric. Eric kumatake. Wala pa rin. Wala pa rin kay Eric. Foul. Trouble. 3 minutes and 13 seconds. Pinasa kay number 14. Number 14. Coach Matt. Wala. Nakuha number 14. 55-62. Wala ka pa rin ito. Nakagaya Kuya Eric. Nasa kay number 15. May kumapahawin ko rin. Kuya Eric. Wala. Nakuha pa rin eh. Number 15. Number 15. Nakakabilang. Nasa kay number 12. Number 12. Wala. Nakuha ni number 12. Number 15. 2-4. Number 15, dribbling the ball. 30 minutes and 30 seconds. Nakawan. Ay, number 12, number 12. Sakay number 15, pinasakay number 18, number 18. Number 18, number 10. Binagkakan. Second foul by number 18. 2 minutes and 14 seconds. Second foul by number 18, warning for penalty. Number 18, pinasakay ko naman. Good from the Vico, on the fake, good ball, 2-4. 62-59, naman sila ng tatlo ang Marley. Number 1, step up. Pinasakay, nahulog. Lagyan ng 10 to shoot, pinasakay. Clear, number 15. Number 15. Dominated for the Silver. 65-59, naman sila ng Marley. Nobody number 18. Number 18, pinasakay sa Vico. Pinasakay ko Eric. Kuya Eric Kapitan. Pinasakay number 18. Dapat naman may alam. Yo! Tumira yan! Eh, sa shoot! Pinasakay ko Erce! Wala pa rin. Kailangan niya ata sa Dredo. Pinasakay number 10 na pabilis. 65-69. Dapat kaya ng apat. Kuya Eric, referee the ball. Kuya Eric, Kuya Eric. Wala. Nakawan ko lang sila. Pinasakay ko. 8-8.
Lalaki.
Number 15. 65-63. Dalawa na naman. Number 18, dribbling the ball. Foul number 5. First personal foul, 13 foul. Side number 18, pinasakay number 1, 27 seconds. Coach Bob, kumatay, Coach Bob. Nahuan, number 18, number 15, number 15. 15 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds. 11 seconds to shoot. Nagawin, Kuya Ate. 8 seconds to shoot. Kuya Ate, 2 seconds left. Ang fourth one natin,
Hindi ka dumakakanlak pa ano eh.
17-63. Marlies ball.
Ay, kay Pompey talaga.
Back to the ball. Yeah, bago niya kayo din, tira-tira. Pinasakay ko to. Pinasakay ko ganda mo to ni Andres. Kapos. Nakuha number 15, number 15 na pamatuloy. Number 15 pinasakay. Wala, nakuha ni ko to.
Lago. Lapit na!
First team foul. 63-72. Laban ko Marley. Foul number 0. Manoy. First team foul.
Si Liberton.
9 minutes and 35 seconds. Ay, Coach Max. Wala. Nakuha ni Kuto. Pinasakay ko na Medrano. Sakit po tayo. Sakit po tayo. Sakit po tayo matekol. 74-63. Laban ng ate. Number 50. Number 50. Pinasakay number 9. Wala. Substitution. Pasok at papasok, labas ang kalabas. Seventy-four, 63 na pang sampo, Marley. Then, nagkamadali. Pag-ination. Pag-asa sa kalabas. Harbor. 9 minutes, then, sakto. Number 15, number 15, number 15, number 15, pinasahan number 1, tumira ng 3. Wala. Nakuha ni number 15, nakuha ni number 8. Number 8, tumisit pa. Pinasahan number 1, tumira ng 3. 8 minutes and 35 seconds. 74, 66, labang tala ng 8 ang Marley. 15 seconds to shoot. Tumira na 3. Wala. Tawa ni number 1. Number 1. Number 1. Number 1. Number 1. Sumadulas. Yung bola po. First box. Nakikot ng sa bola. Pinasahin number 15. Tira-tira na 3. Wala. Tawa ni Coach Max. 68 seconds to go. Anim na lang ang pala Tama? Barley. 8 minutes and 6 seconds. Butol. Butol. Parang tagatol. Pinasakay 10. 10. Nag-iisip kung papadang na. Pinasakay Butol. Butol. Check the shoot. Butol. Pinasakay. Effective rep. Cut this again. Number 1, pinasakay number 14. 74-70. Napagkalan ng apat ng Marley. Number 9, pinasakay Petrano. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Nakuwalik. Nakuwalik. Substitution. Pasok ang papasok. Labas ang lalabas. Seven minutes and 25 seconds. Number 15 adalah Semana. Pinasahan. Kawan number 15. Number 15. Pinasahan na ba? Takip po tayo na maayos. Pwede po tayo technical lang ating mga referee. Number 9. Number 9 pinasahan number 15. Number 14. Pinasa sa kalaban. Nakuha ni Eric. Kuya Eric. Kuya Eric. Number 15. Number 15. 7 minutes. Sakto.
Hindi naman mabubuksan
Kuya
yan eh.
Eric.
Nakala ko.
15 seconds to shoot.
Turo ko na kasi yung ano eh.
10 seconds to shoot. Sakay ko tol. Pinasakay Kuya Eric. Kuya Eric. Who's for red? Go shoot. Third person of foul was number 24. Unang gusto. Pangalawang gusto. Paso. Number 1, Tikot. Wala. Number 1, Tawani. Number 14. Oh my goodness. Pinasa. Nice pass po. 75-70. Labangan Marley. 6 minutes and 34 seconds. Snyder. Then, pinasa ay number 15. Pinasa ay Anatolio. Pinasa ay Del. Del, tumira ng mid-range.
Actual value!
Nawali mo tayo! Parang nanakaw. Pinasa ay Eric.
Oh!
Who's for red? Warning for penalty. Warning for graduate. Number 8, warning for graduate ka na. 13 foul. Unang gusto. Wala na, wala na!
Ang galing mo, Balong.
Ano? Back to the program.
Malik ka dun.
6 minutes and 5 seconds. Nine number 12, number 12, pinasakay ko sa pinaliwa. Who's on record? Third person na ba by number 18, second team foul. Unang slow lang. Second throw. Seven to 18, labang na lang ang 9. By number 2, pinasakay number 5, number 5, pinasakay number 2. Number 2, pinasakay number 5, number 5. Wow. Third person of now, wearing 13 foul. Mag-ready na po ang next game, bawal pa palebe. Unang gusto. Oh. Unang gusto. Oh.
Dito, bigay mo. Bigay mo dito.
10 naman na lang ng ito. Number 15. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 9. Utol, kaya tayo bola. 5 seconds to shoot. Pinasakay number 12.
Eli. Gulo mo.
5 minutes and 15 seconds. Number 15, Naras. 10 seconds to shoot.
Wow!
Number 9, report. Number 15, pinasakay. Pinasakay number 5, number 5, pinasakay number 15, number 15. Wala, awan kay Eric. 4 minutes and 50 seconds. 8 to 73.
Woo!
30 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds. 7 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds.
Last game yung maganda eh.
Number 24, pinasakay ko yung spot. Sayang.
Eli, last ball.
7 minutes and 25 seconds.
Hindi, ilagay mo dito.
7 minutes and 15 seconds.
Go.
8 to 73. Lawa ka tayo lang.
No?
Pinasakay number 18.
Aba ka,
10
tangin na
seconds
mo.
to shoot. Manood, nakawali ng shot. Ayaw ka. Third position.
Saan mo ba yan? Taga-tay-tay?
Wala. Nakuha ni number 18 sa ball. Pinasakay number 5, number 5. Number 5. Tumira ng 3. Tapos. Nakuha number 18. Pass transfer number 18.
Alas na, wala silang laro at
3 minutes and 30. 7 82-73. Number 16. Binasa kay number 4, binasa kay number 8, number 8, Tracy Marulis. Warning for delaying the game.
Bye bye, bro. Okay lang.
84-74.
Mamaya pa magkakalit ng mga 1:35.
Number 16, number 16, the winner. Pinatay ko Eric. Pinasakay pagkanakaw. Oh my goodness.
Magkatakaw po tagal.
2 minutes and 50 seconds. 8,073. Pinasakay number 21, number 21. Wala. Nakuha ni ko Eric. Wala. Number 18, pinasakay. Manoy, pinapatay ko. 2 minutes, 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. Pinasakay ko Eric. Palakas. Out down. 84-73. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Wow. Number 16. Warning for penalty of Marlon. Second personal foul by number 16. Coach Max. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Nagkasulit. Ano ba naman yun? 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Number 7, 1 minute and 31 seconds. Binasa kay 21, from that side step, binasa pala. Binasa kay Sam. Wow, number 21. Sayang, ito opportunity guys. 84-75. Nabanang 9. Substitution. Takit po tayo. Good warning, no penalty. Mark Pendaro, pinasa kay number 15. Number 15 seconds to shoot. Kay Manoy, the point guard. Manoy. Pinasa kay Pendaro. 5 seconds to shoot. Nice pass. 86-75, 4 minutes and 9 seconds. Nakagaw, 1 minute and 5 seconds.
Josh!
Tuesday at 5, Scott Petrano. 1 minute sakto. Who's all red? 15 penalty. 54 seconds.
Minsan na lang bigay si Gian ng AM, Babs. Paano na pogi pa yun? Asik mo, tol. Sabi tayo ng babae. Ano, maganda ba yun? Ganyan ko sana, pwede pa naman.
Second throw. Oh.
Bawa ka ng tao sa bahay.
88-77.
Yung pogi yan, inaka.
50 seconds na daw. Wow. Who's all red? Let's go. Penalty. 88-77. Hawakan ng konti.
Kita mo nga ako sa nila.
47 seconds remaining.
Alam mo talaga.
Unang gusto. Paso. Pasok sa gusto. 47 seconds remaining. 31 seconds. Traveling. 43 seconds remaining. 88-79. 13 seconds. Wala. Nawala number 5. Nakagawa ni number 15. 29 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Wala. Nawala kayo pa. 20 seconds. Before 40 seconds. Wow. 13 seconds. Penalty. Unang gusto kasi. Second round kasi.
Wow!
10 seconds shoot.
Katulog-tulog tayo ah. Bakit wala ka sa ulit?
Ako.